Physical Sciences, Class 9. Topic is Types of Chemical Reactions.
This is G. Mahalakshmi. Now I am going to explain the chemical displacement reaction. For this lab activity, the materials required: copper sulfate, iron nail, the glass beaker and water. Take copper sulfate solution into this beaker. Now add some water. Now we have to mix well. The copper sulfate solution is ready. Here we dip the iron nail like this. Leave it for some time. After some time, this iron nail turns like this. Here, the iron element displaces copper from copper sulfate. A displacement reaction occurs when an element displaces another element from its compound. All of you observed here, the iron nail turns like this.
My name is B. Pavitra. Now I am going to explain about the chemical double displacement reaction. For this lab activity, materials required are test tubes and lead nitrate and potassium iodide and distilled water. Now take a pinch of lead nitrate in a one test tube and take a potassium iodide in another test tube. Now we add some distilled water into both test tubes. Now these are two solutions of lead nitrate and potassium iodide. Now we pour lead nitrate into a test tube and now we pour potassium iodide into the test tube. Now we observed that a yellow colored substance which is insoluble in water is formed as precipitate. The precipitate is lead iodide and the remaining is potassium nitrate.
In this reaction, a yellow precipitation, that is lead iodide, is formed at the bottom of the test tube. The equation of this reaction is PbNO3 twice plus 2Ki gives rise to PbI2 plus 2KNO3.